Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Harani IAS Academy. This is Sanjay Thakur, an educator of Indian Constitution along with Political Science and International Relationship at Sri Harani IAS Institute. Uh, Friends, today I would like to share something about Sri Harani IAS Institute with you. It is one of the eminent IAS institutes in state of Andhra Pradesh, you can say, in particular, and generally across the country. This is a fully dedicated institute towards providing quality education to those students who are preparing for civil services examination. The main motive of this institute is to provide quality education to those students who generally find themselves unable to move to the places like Delhi and Hyderabad in search of, coaching classes and all. At Sri Harani, you will find a team of, fully experienced faculty members across different eminent institutions in Delhi. They are generally having an experience of more than 10 years in providing training to students preparing for civil services test or civil services test preparation, you can say. For example, you might be knowing that civil services examination in itself is a diverse type of examination wherein so many components related to general studies are asked in preliminary as well as written exam. And for your kind information, I would like to let you know that preliminary examination is comprised of two papers, one general studies paper 1, wherein students are basically tested on the grounds of different awareness streams like Indian history and culture, Indian geography and world geography, along with ecology and environment, science and technology, Indian polity and constitution, along with some sort of, developments related to world politics as well as international relationship. Of course, the questions based on Indian economy are also asked in preliminary examination general studies paper 1. In general studies paper 2, it is basically qualifying in nature, wherein you would be asked about aptitude related questions like basic numeracy, orders of magnitude, data interpretation, some sort of reasoning based questions, as well as comprehension skill based questions. Okay. When you go on to have a look into written exam syllabus, that is main syllabus, because written examination in common parlance is called mains examination. Generally, it is called as IAS mains. In mains examination, there are altogether 4 papers of general studies in the form of general studies paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4. And almost all these papers, they are by and large carrying similar segments which have already been there in preliminary examinations GS paper 1. Okay. But the mode of askance is different. In preliminary examination, you will be having MCQs based questions, objective nature questions, while in mains examination, you need to write the answers corresponding to different questions. Okay. Anyway, so again, you have to study about Indian history and culture, Indian polity and constitution, international relationship, governance, science and technology, means all the segments of general studies in written examination too. Here, I am saying so about prelim syllabus as well as main syllabus in brief, because here my motive is to let you know that we at Sri Harani IAS Institute provides the guidance to the students concerning all these segments, not only for preliminary examination, but also for mains vis-a-vis interview as well. Okay, so Sri Harani provides a great opportunity for those students who are preparing for civil services examination and staying in Narsarapet or Guntur as well as its vicinity, its nearby areas. Even we are having so many students who have shifted themselves from Hyderabad to Guntur so that they can attend their coaching classes at Sri Harani IS Institute, which is located in Narsarapeta only. Narsarapeta only. And you can understand it, why it is happening. This is because of the simple reason. This institute has brought almost all the faculty members concerning different subjects for civil services test preparation at a single place, and the name which can be given to that place is undoubtedly Sri Harani IS Institute. We regularly conduct test series. Students used to write or used to practice answer writing, paper solving. We provide mentorship to students. The faculty members themselves make the corrections of questions which have been written by students and sent to the teachers. We are having good quality study materials, which are provided to students in due course of their classroom program. Our institute has even residential facilities as well. You can say dormitory or hostel facilities. So our intention is simply to take care of almost all sorts of needs which a student may face in due course of his or her preparation. Okay. The most important thing I would like to say about the director of this institute, Sri Narendra Kancharla sir. He is such a dedicated person, especially towards his students. He thoroughly worked, you can say, throughout day and night for the betterment of his students. Every time he ponders over that, how we can enhance the performance of his students in civil services examination. Sometimes he streamlined the different categories of the students that, yes, such students may be the competent aspirants in 2022 civil services exam. These students may require some sort of more times to prepare themselves, and yes, they can be the good aspirants in 2023 batch and the things alike. Such things are explicitly indicative of the fact that how a director of a particular institute is sincere about his students, and undoubtedly it finally plays. So you will simply find a proper atmosphere or environment wherein a student can provide an ace to his or her preparation. So I humbly request all of you to please come and join Sri Harani IS Institute. We are always there for you. We will try our best. We will give our best and also seek to take best from you. Okay. Very soon, I will be visiting at Narsarapet Sri Harani IS Institute to provide training to the students in Indian Constitution along with international relationship. And one more point, Sri Harani is very soon going to provide different batches for optional subjects like PSIR and all. So you can come and join us. Thank you so much. All the best.